This is a report back for the North Star Managed Fund for Q3 2022. The fund had a subdued performance relative to its lofty track record. And this really can be ascribed to two main components. Firstly, SA Equity's slight underperformance relative to its benchmark. And secondly, our fixed income component slightly underperforming again against its benchmark for the quarter. We positioned quite interestingly in the fund, having quite a large underweight position in global equities and global exposure as a whole, approximately 20% of the fund. We overweight domestic fixed income and we relatively highly weighted in South African equities. That really didn't work for the quarter though. With the MSCI All Country World losing 6% in dollars and the South African market losing only 2% in rands, one would have thought that we made the perfect call being long SA equities and low exposure to global equities. But a depreciating South African rand and a surging dollar meant that offshore equities actually gave positive returns in rand terms for the quarter. On the fixed income side, we're relatively long duration, and that isn't working in a rising interest rate cycle. We understand that, but SA fixed income is dirt cheap. Other themes in the fund, we're long ZAR. The ZAR is undervalued, deeply undervalued relative to the dollar. We are also looking at US tips with a 5-year point on the market at 1.8% real. We think that offers huge opportunity. Then SA fixed income, we're holding our positions there with the belief that over the 3-year rolling period, there are high expected returns for investors. Largely, big discounts on our local buy list, 35% discount to intrinsic value, and our offshore buy list now means that further opportunities arise in the equity space in the months and years ahead. We think investors will do extremely well off current valuations over a 5-year view in this fund.